You want to invest in real estate, you want to create that passive income, but you don't want to deal with crying tenants who are crying over sewage issues, toilets being backed up, garbage disposals not working. You don't have to deal with any of that with what I'm about to show you. Behind me is a flex space. What is a flex space? It is 90% warehouse, 10% office. This is where all the new savvy investors are flocking to just because the tenant profile is business and it is so easy to work with. These are all triple net leases, meaning you will never get a call complaining about maintenance because these tenants are in charge of their own maintenance. Today is a holiday, which is why you're not seeing anybody on site. However, the product is in crazy high demand. There's more of it behind me over there, and these are all fully leased out units. Now, what if I told you that you could build one of these at cost, meaning you wouldn't have to pay a premium of any kind, which is impossible in today's market? Well, that is exactly what over 150 members in my group are doing today. We are building these at cost so that we can walk away with the most amount of money all over the country, and it is a phenomenal movement. We are building, we are selling, we are transacting as a group, we are investing with each other to make the most amount of money, and things are progressing very nicely. The best part is we like dealing with businesses, and for those of you who are going to come at me and say, well, everybody needs a place to stay, this is how they afford that place to stay. These are all mom and pop, small to medium sized businesses, and guess what? Those are the type of businesses that we support. Those are the type of projects that we support. We call ourselves true real estate investors with the most passive cash flow as opposed to property managers, which is what I consider everybody in the residential space to be. We all know that residential real estate people are actually property managers. No matter how much property they own, no matter how many property management companies they hire, ultimately they are top property managers.